Right, hi guys, Glenn Smith here from Paratechuk UK. This is the back garden night vision field test using our portable battery operated floodlight illuminator, the infrared one. So this is what it looks like outside now, and the time is 10:05. So I'm just going to put the illuminator on now. And there you go. So I think you'll agree that looks pretty damn good. So this is the 15 LED floodlight, a large one, and obviously there's the back of my house. Okay. Now, as I said, you can actually see colours with mark conversion. Right. You can actually see the wife's lights. If I just turn this off, you'll actually see the colours. Can you see? Green. It'll change in a second. Blue. Purple. Red. There's white turning back to blue. Okay. Unlike other companies out there that do these conversions, they only do infrared, which basically means all you'll see is just white light. Okay, but with mark conversions you actually see colour. But no, I think that's as good quality, if not better, than the other Jvc Everio camcorders that we do at Paratechuk UK. Obviously there's the back of my house. There's my neighbours all the way down there. Look, I mean, that's, for how many houses is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 houses, 5 houses away. Okay. So that's the floodlight. Okay, with the Jvc Everio X900. This is one of the new camcorders that we're going to be doing from now on. That looks pretty good. Right, I'm going to do some indoor shooting for you, just so you can see what it looks like with a large 4 LED infrared illuminator, the handheld one that clamps to the bottom of the camcorder, that you'll be using on your investigations as you walk about. Okay, so I'll see you in a few minutes. Cheers. Hi guys, Glenn Smith here again from Paratechuk UK. Just a short video now to show you the camcorder, the X900, in a typical environment that you'd have in a house. I've turned all the lights off in my house now. So this is obviously what it looks like in the dark. This is what it will be with a large 4 LED illuminator. This is just one illuminator. Okay, that's got 4 LEDs in it. These are the ones that I build and sell. Okay, and again you can see the colours, which you don't get with other manufacturers. So that's a typical environment that you'll get on an investigation, the lounge. And just go obviously up the stairs. There's the top of my landing. So if we go up the stairs as if you would on an investigation, you'll see what, just to get an idea. Right. Round onto the landing. Okay. Got the kids in the bedroom, so I've had them turn all the lights off. So walk walk into a bedroom, typical bedroom again, and just, you know, what you'd see. So that gives you an idea of the quality of what you'll get on one of these cameras. Oops. Without hitting the stairs. You can see it's HD quality, as all the JVC camcorders are. But no, really good camcorder. Very pleased with that. Very pleased with the quality as well. And obviously, if you do happen to go outside with it, obviously it ain't as powerful as the floodlight illuminator, but you can still do a walkabout just with the 4 LED one. Obviously there's my man cave, the workshop. And again, like I say, you can see the colours: red, blues, greens, purples, oranges, you know, which you won't get that with other people's conversions, because they only use infrared filters, so you've only seen one spectrum of light. So if it's an infrared conversion and what we're looking for exists within the ultraviolet spectrum, well, you're just not going to see it, are you? You know, you're going to miss it. So my conversions allow in all visible light and all infrared and all ultraviolet. Okay, so there is the night vision conversion for the Jvc Everio GZ-X900, and these will be going on sale shortly and will be available to buy either through Facebook or on the website at www.paratechuk.com. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.